Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the day has finally come. It has finally arrived. So I've been seeing a lot of these challenges on the internet and it seems very exciting. और ये challenge कुछ ऐसा है where an individual tries to burn 10,000 calories in a day. And here are the list of YouTubers that have failed in doing so because it was way too hard for me. लेकिन for me personally, मेरे को नहीं लगता ये मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल रहेगा. Exhausted. How I would plan this is start my day at Friday night 11 PM और ये challenge खत्म होगा Saturday night 11 PM. ये 1 घंटे का जो extra gap है, I'd fill in with an exercise so that I can even get to count the calories that I burn while I'm sleeping. So let's see how it goes. It's time for the very sweet challenges. It is 10:13 currently. This challenge will end Saturday night 10:13 PM और जो sleep के दौरान मेरी calories burn होगी मैं वो भी track करूँगा. By the way, सबसे पहली exercise है skip rope. 2 hours straight, 1000 calories. Exhausted. बोलने की क्षमता नहीं है. So the active calories that we have burned is 226. I don't know if you can see that. And we burned 600 calories in our sleep. 1000 वहाँ पे, 800 यहाँ पे. तो 1800-ish calories था. Here is a very mindful thought. If you ever feel lonely, if you ever feel depressed, तुमको कभी भी अकेला एकदम डिप्रेस्ड फील होता है तो रिमेंबर दैट यू आर पुअर एज वेल. गरीब भी हो तुम तो वो भी ध्यान में रख के चलना है क्योंकि खराब फीलिंग को हर एक के साथ जोड़ो. दिन खराब करो दोस्तों अपना क्योंकि मेरा तो अच्छा जा रहा है. इफ यू एवर वांट टू सीक इंस्पिरेशन द फर्स्ट पर्सन शुड ऑलवेज बी योर डैड और समवन दैट यू थिंक इज वर्दी ऑफ इट. एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव एनीवन इन योर लाइफ दैट इज वर्दी ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन और इंस्पायरिंग इनफ, look at your past. Look at the history. We have a beautiful history as Hindus. I personally love to read a lot about Bhishma Pitama. That is the guy. That is the man I aspire to be. Always give and expect nothing in return. To the point. Got done with the cycling session. 500 calories from a 1 hour biking session. Here are the stats. And I plan to go all in now. I plan to do it for 4 hours straight, 2000 calories, simple as that. Been running cots at least that's 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Thighs shivering, legs are numb, cannot feel them. Socks are completely fucking torn. I cannot feel any part of my body working at this point. Still got 3 kilometers left to cover or else I cannot reach home. It is 7:28 PM as of now. I feel like puking. तो क्या हम चैलेंज कंप्लीट कर पाए या नहीं कर पाए? Boys and girls, we absolutely fucking crushed it. मैंने बोला था मेरा कार्डियोवास्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ तगड़ा, I can do it. तगड़ा. We started the challenge at 10 PM yesterday night and we completed it at 5 PM Saturday evening. So almost 5 घंटे पहले ये challenge खत्म कर लिया. So technically I do beat all these YouTubers that failed to did it. I mean, I'm glad I completed it. I'm super happy. I can never repeat this. I can never. I'm so tired. I wanted to give up on this challenge. I was like, क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं? What is the even point of this? Was it fun? Do I recommend you try it or anyone try it? Absolutely the fun. मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए ट्राई किया because I just wanted to test my mental strength. पैर में छाले पड़ गए हैं, फुट सूजा हुआ है, knees hurt, my back is absolutely sore. Basically पूरी बॉडी हर जगह से दुख रही है. अभी एक्चुअल में कल पता चलेगा कि और क्या क्या हुआ है. I'll give you the calculations. सबसे पहले मैंने किए skip ropes that burned around 1000 calories. After I woke up because when you're sleeping we burn calorie 800. उसके बाद हमने की साइकिलिंग 500 कैलोरी. उसके बाद 10 किलोमीटर रन 1000 कैलोरी. उसके बाद इन दोनों का जो स्टेप काउंट आया था it was 1700. We had that 5000 calories and it was 10 AM. आधा दिन भी नहीं हुआ था, 5000 कैलोरी we had burnt off. I decided कि skip rope करेंगे 4 घंटे के लिए. Can you believe it? I skipped rope for 4 hours straight. जिसमें से सिर्फ 1400 कैलोरीज बर्न किए मैं. तो add 5000 plus 1400. उसके बाद again went for a cycling session 500 calories. That comes to around 6900 calories. अब इन दोनों के जो स्टेप काउंट आए थे वो टोटल एक्चुअल स्टेप काउंट बन रहा था 3724 plus 6900 10,624 calories. All in all, fun challenge. And yes, I did what I fucking said and I'm proud of it. See you in the next one, folks.